Something deep beneath Antarctica has started sending strange signals. And the strangest part? Scientists can't explain it. What's hiding beneath the ice? Antarctica. A continent of blinding white, where the silence feels like a physical presence. But what if, deep beneath miles of ancient ice, something was sending a message? Strange, powerful radio pulses, unlike anything ever recorded, started pinging sensitive instruments. They seemed to originate from a single point buried deep within the frozen heart of the continent. A whisper from the bottom of the world. Something unknown was active, buried under miles of solid ice. It's a signal that shouldn't be there, coming from a place nothing is supposed to exist. An echo from a place that has been sealed off from the world for millions of years. Antarctica is Earth's last great wilderness, a continent we know less about than the surface of the moon. They hint at a dynamic hidden world beneath the ice sheet, a place of secrets we are only now beginning to glimpse. Who, or what, is broadcasting from the darkness? To understand why these signals are so baffling, you have to understand the science. Radio waves are electromagnetic radiation, just like light, but with a much longer wavelength. They travel through space, through our atmosphere, and can penetrate solid objects. We use them for Wi-Fi, broadcasting shows. Scientists use them to study distant galaxies and peer through cosmic dust. But these Antarctic signals are different. They are ultra-high energy pulses. They carry immense power, far more than any known natural source on Earth could generate from beneath a continental ice sheet. The technology used to find them is straight out of science fiction. Scientists use the ANITA experiment, the Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna. This device is radio antennas attached to a massive helium balloon that floats 23 miles above the ice. From this vantage point, ANITA listens for neutrinos from space. These particles are supposed to come from above, but ANITA started detecting particles shooting up out of the ice. It was like hearing footsteps on the ceiling of a one-story house. There was no logical explanation for how particles could travel through the entire Earth to emerge from Antarctica. This is where the mystery deepens. For a particle to travel through the planet, it would barely interact with matter. But the signals were powerful, suggesting they hadn't lost energy on a journey through thousands of miles of rock and iron core. This contradiction has physicists scratching their heads. The signals behave as if they originated deep within the ice, yet nothing known to science could produce them there. It's a paradox, a signal impossibly strong and impossibly placed, defying our understanding of physics. The scientific community is left with a puzzle. They have a signal, a location, and data that says this shouldn't be possible. Standard physics cannot account for it. Every known particle, every phenomenon, fails to explain these upward pulses. This isn't just an anomaly, it's a direct challenge to the laws of physics. It forces us to ask, are we missing a piece of the puzzle, or is the puzzle completely different from what we've imagined? The ice is speaking, but we don't understand its language. Antarctica, a place of myth. Ancient maps depict Terra Australis Incognita. The Piri Reis map appears to show an ice-free coast, fueling debate. Could these maps point to a time when Antarctica was green? Now, strange radio signals have reignited speculation. Its landscape is extreme, with subglacial lakes like Vostok cut off for millions of years. Could these signals originate from unique biological or geological processes in these hidden worlds? The official explanation is elusive, pushing researchers to the fringe. Perhaps the ice creates powerful static discharge, or they're bizarre echoes of cosmic rays amplified by the ice. The signals seem too regular, too powerful, too intentional. What if something ancient lies beneath the ice? A relic calling out from its frozen tomb. These signals suggest the past isn't as dead as we thought. When mainstream science hits a wall, the imagination runs wild. And in the case of Antarctica's radio signals, the theories from the fringe are as vast and cold as the continent itself. One of the most persistent ideas is that of a lost city. Proponents point to the legends of Atlantis or the mythical land of Hyperborea, suggesting that an advanced ancient civilization might have flourished in Antarctica when its climate was temperate. What if they were buried by a sudden ice age, their technology and structures perfectly preserved in the deep freeze? These radio signals, in this view, are not a natural phenomenon, but the last gasp of a forgotten technology, a power source still humming away after millennia. Then there are the more modern conspiracies. For decades, whispers have circulated about secret bases hidden in Antarctica. During World War II, the Nazis launched an expedition to the continent, allegedly establishing a clandestine base known as Base 211 or New Swabia. While this is largely dismissed by mainstream historians, the theory persists, with some suggesting that advanced technology, perhaps even alien in origin, was hidden there. Could these radio signals be coming from a secret, off-the-books military installation or a hidden society operating far from the eyes of the world? A place where science we can only dream of is already a reality. This leads us to the most mind-bending theory of all extraterrestrial involvement. The UFO phenomenon has long been linked to Antarctica's desolate, unmonitored expanses. Some believe a massive alien craft crash-landed there thousands of years ago, and its damaged systems are now broadcasting erratically from beneath the ice. Others suggest an active alien base is located there, using the ice sheet as a shield to hide their activities from humanity. In this narrative, the signals are not a cry for help, but a sign of activity. They are the daily chatter of something not of this world, a broadcast we were never meant to intercept. While these theories sound like pure fiction, they are fueled by the failure of conventional science to provide a clear answer. The signals represent a genuine, documented anomaly. When experts in particle physics admit they are stumped, it creates a vacuum that speculation is all too eager to fill. Whether it's a lost city, a secret Nazi base, or an alien beacon, these alternative theories all stem from the same basic truth. Something strange is happening at the bottom of the world, and no one has a good explanation. The truth could be far stranger than we can currently imagine. So where does this leave us? We are standing at the edge of discovery, staring down into the frozen unknown. Science tells us our understanding of the universe is incomplete. The data is verified, but the explanation is missing. Could this be the dawn of a new era in physics? These pulses might be evidence of a new particle or interaction. The signals aren't a ghost, they're a teacher. Is it possible our planet holds secrets far older than we believe? Antarctica is the perfect place for such a secret to hide. The quest for answers is pushing our technology to its limits. The potential reward is immeasurable. They are determined to find the source of these broadcasts. Are there truly profound secrets buried under the Antarctic ice? Or are we simply witnessing a complex natural phenomenon we can't yet understand? The signals are a constant reminder that the age of exploration is far from over. The expedition has just begun.